Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of side hustles and passive income. The ultimate game changers when it comes to boosting your finances. If you're ready to explore 10 fantastic ideas that can earn you extra cash without breaking a sweat, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. 1. Selling print-on-demand products. If you're a creative soul, consider selling print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. You can use online platforms like Printful or Redbubble to create and sell your unique designs. The best part? You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping, they handle it all. 2. Starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is another brilliant way to earn passive income. Set up an online store, find suppliers offering dropshipping services, and list their products. When a customer buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You profit from the difference between the supplier's price and the retail price. 3. Investing in dividend stocks. Passive income isn't just about side hustles, it can also come from wise investments. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. Over time, as the company distributes profits to shareholders, you can enjoy regular dividends without much effort. 4. Real estate rental income. Real estate can be a fantastic source of passive income. If you have some savings, consider buying property and renting it out. You'll earn a steady stream of income while building equity in the property. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services from other companies. Simply share a unique referral link, and if someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn money. It's a win-win for you and the company you're promoting. 6. Creating online courses. Are you knowledgeable about a particular topic? Share your expertise by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses, allowing you to earn money while helping others learn valuable skills. 7. Renting out your space on Airbnb. 7. Have an extra room or a vacant property? List it on Airbnb. Renting out your space to travelers can generate a steady income stream, especially if you're in a popular location. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. If you have some money to spare, peer-to-peer lending platforms offer a unique way to earn passive income. You act as a lender, providing funds to individuals or small businesses, and you'll receive regular interest payments in return. 9. High-yield savings accounts. Don't overlook the power of a high-yield savings account. While not the most significant income stream, it's a safe and passive way to earn extra money on your savings over time. 10. YouTube and content monetization. Last but not least, consider creating your own YouTube channel or starting a blog. As your content gains popularity, you can monetize it through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And there you have it, 10 fantastic side hustles and passive income ideas that can bring in extra cash and potentially change your financial future. Remember, these endeavors may require some initial effort, but with dedication and persistence, they can turn into valuable income streams. Which idea resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.